Exercise 9.3, class 9th, chapter 9th. Question number 12. A village Itwari has a plot of land of the shape of quadrilateral. Means Itwari, any villager, उसके पास एक प्लॉट ऑफ लैंड है, भूमि का एक भूमि है क्वाड्रिलेटरल शेप में. लैंड, हिज लैंड, प्लॉट ऑफ लैंड in quadrilateral shape. The gram panchayat of the village decided to take over the some portion of his plot from one of the corner. ग्राम पंचायत डिसाइड करती है उसके प्लॉट में से, उसके लैंड में से एक कॉर्नर का एक कॉर्नर से सम पोर्शन लेने के लिए ग्राम पंचायत डिसाइड करती है. एंड टू कंस्ट्रक्ट द हेल्थ सेंटर, और वहाँ वो हेल्थ सेंटर कंस्ट्रक्ट करना चाहते हैं. इतवारी एग्रीज टू द अबव प्रपोजल, इतवारी एग्रीज हो जाता है अबव प्रपोजल से with the condition that he should be given equal amount of the land in lieu of his land adjoining his plot. वो कैसे तैयार हो जाता है अपनी भूमि का एक टुकड़ा देने के लिए? वो कहता है कि उसकी लैंड के साथ लगी जो प्लॉट है उसमें उसके बदले, इन द ल्यू ऑफ हिज लैंड मीन्स उसकी भूमि के बदले वो जो कॉर्नर से एक पोर्शन ले रहे हैं तो उसे साथ वाली जो प्लॉट है उसमें से उतना ही सेम पोर्शन उसे दिया जाए. तो ही एग्रीज ऑन दिस कंडीशन सो एज टू फॉर्म अ ट्रायंगुलर प्लॉट. और जब उसे वो टुकड़ा दे दिया जाएगा उसके साथ लगी प्लॉट का पोर्शन, तो उसकी जो लैंड है वो ट्रायंगुलर फॉर्म में हो जाएगी. पहले इतवारी की लैंड जो है वो क्वाड्रिलेटरल फॉर्म में थी, बाद में वो ट्रायंगुलर फॉर्म में हो जाएगी. एक्सप्लेन हाउ दिस प्रपोजल विल बी इम्प्लीमेंटेड. तो हमें बताना है कि उसका जो ये प्रपोजल है वो कैसे इम्प्लीमेंट होगा. नाउ यू कैन सी द फिगर. Just see here A, B, C, D. Just A, B, C, D. You need to see A, B, C, D. This is the quadrilateral land of Itwari. Now, A, B, C, D. These name you can give any other name also. I have given A, B, C, D. This is the Itwari plot in quadrilateral form. Now, इतवारी के प्लॉट के एक कॉर्नर उसके प्लॉट से लिया जाएगा, ठीक है, और प्लॉट के साथ लगती ज़मीन का एक कॉर्नर उतना ही पार्ट उसे दिया जाएगा. सो नाउ वी कैन एक्सटेंड डी सी अप टू ई बिकॉज ये इस पैरेललोग्राम के साथ लगती ज़मीन का उतना ही पोर्शन इतवारी को दिया जाएगा जितना उसे लिया गया है. सो वी कैन एक्सटेंड डी सी अप टू ई. Now AB, BE join, we can join, and AC already in ABCD. AC join AC and AE. Here if we will join, now you can see if this portion it is taken from him, so this portion it will be given to him. The same portion is taken and the same portion will be given. Now we have to prove that this portion which is taken from him will be equal to this portion which is given by him. So we have to prove area of AOB is equal to area of COE. Now you can see here there are two triangles. Here you can see there are two triangles ABC and AEC. So ABC and AEC, if their common base is AC, then between the parallels BE and AC. So we can say that area of ABC is equal to area of AEC. So that only is I am showing you. Given, you can write yourself whatsoever is given in statement. To prove, we have to prove COE is equal to AOB. AOB, this area, shaded area, I have shaded this area, we have to prove equal to this area. And ADE, triangular plot, means after giving one corner, one corner of his land, he is getting the adjoint. So after taking the same portion, he should get the plot in triangular form. So we have to prove ADE. Now his plot will be ADE. after taking this and after giving this, his plot will be ADE. That we have to prove in triangular plot, as a triangular plot. Now that only I have written in proof, which I have told you. Two triangles ABC and AEC are on the same base. Now this you can write, extend DC to point E. We have extended DC to point E. Draw a line BE parallel to SE. Here BE, we will join BE. This will be parallel to AC and join AE. Now triangle ABC and AEC are on the same base AC and between the same parallels AC and BE. So therefore ABC and AEC area will be equal. Now but we need AOB. We have to prove AOB area is equal to COE. For this, if we will subtract AOC, if we will subtract AOC from ABC and ACE, we will get AOB and COE. So if we will subtract AOC from ABC and ACE, we will get AOB and COE. So this only first we have to prove. So we can say that AOB and area COE equal. We have to prove equal only because Itwari is giving which portion? The same portion he is taking from the adjoining land. So we can write AOB portion. This portion is given by him because this is adjoining land and this is the land in his quadrilateral plot. So this portion is given by him and this portion is taken by him. So we can write AOB is given by Itwari and COE is taken by Itwari, and ADE is in the triangular plot, means is in the form of triangular. ADE, it is in triangular shape. So this is your question number 12.